Welcome back, guys. Today we are making Chicken Rezala. A rich Mughlai chicken cuisine that has not stepped out of Bengal in today's world. Chicken Rezala is a famous Mughlai Bengali dish which was brought into Bengal by the Nawab of Awadh, Wajid Ali. Said to be originated in the Persian culture, Chicken Rezala now has made its spot in the Bengali food culture. Chunks of chicken slowly cooked in a very rich white gravy is what Chicken Rezala is. Ingredients like cashew nuts, poppy seeds, curd brings out this thickness and richness in this gravy. The use of subtle spices and variety of athars like gulab jal and Kewra jal is what brings out the royalness in this dish. Can be enjoyed with biryanis, rice or simply roti. This recipe is one thing that you need to try. Go try out the recipe now. So, if you love this recipe, like the video. If you love my content, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any feedbacks, comment down below. Subscribe to Bhukkad in Town. Done? Yeah.
Brings out this
Thickness and richness.
thich.
Thich बोल दिया.
Thickness.
Thichness.
नया word.
Thichness. Thich or what is thick and rich? It's thich.
Thich.